how to add a payment method in GoDaddy. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up the website builder, and if we click on website here, we should be able to see the shortcuts for store. Now click on store, and then you will be able to see add product or manage store. I'm just going to select manage store, which will refer us to the store page. You can access this from your dashboard as well, but basically you will be able to see payments as well as products, shipping, delivery, storefront. So we will select the option to accept credit cards here, and it's going to load up a list of all of the different payment methods that we can accept on our GoDaddy website. So the first option should be Stripe, so accept all major credit and debit cards, receive funds in 2 to 3 days. Here you will be able to see the fee percentage. Now we will also be able to see PayPal here, so the same percentage, no monthly or setup fees, and also you will be given an option for offline payments, so if you do POS, so on and so forth. So basically right here, if you click on connect for any of those, it's going to refer us to the specific website's page, and it's basically just going to ask us to log in into Stripe in this case, and it will automatically confirm the account that we have selected. So here you can see your PayPal settings, it's linked to my email, and that's basically how you add a payment method on GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.